The smartest decision and the most important decision that you're going to take your whole life is the partner that you choose to spend your whole life with. If you pick right, this person can take you to the top with them, or make you a way better version of yourself, or teach you things that you didn't even know that you could learn. This is something that is happening to me. And in my most vulnerable state is like when I'm on my cycle and I'm thinking, I don't know why, but some cycles are way worse and some of them are way better. And I thought, honestly, I had like the worst diet this cycle. And I think that's the whole reason why I was suffering with so much pain and not much energy, and it affected me. And I was sharing with him that I decided to make macaronis and cheese today because I'm already not feeling well. So let's just eat whatever, right? And so I shared this with my partner, and he told me something really that impacted my life so much. And he said, that is like learned helplessness. It's like when people see something that is already bad and they're like, ah, it's already bad, so I might as well not take care of it or not do anything about it. And it made me think, I'm like, am I that person? Am I somebody that looks at a leak and thinks, oh, it's it's already bad, so we'll leave it like that? Or am I somebody that wants to fix it right away and is somebody that is going to find a solution and do the right thing? And I grew up with this mindset with my family. My dad will say like the house is already a disaster, or like this is literally what I went through when I traveled to Argentina. I have a really good relationship with my dad's wife, and I remember that she literally told me the same thing. When she came to my house, she said, it's so beautiful. You have it so nice. You have it so organized. And I thought, I wish we had that when I was living with you guys. And she said, well, at the beginning, I used to care so much and think, oh, my family should take care of the house and clean it. But then I gave up because it was already bad. It was getting really bad. And she gave up, and we lived in a very, very filthy home, cluttered home. Even when I went back in 2024 to my country, I remember I helped them getting rid of so much stuff in their house. I was like, let's get rid of everything. And she didn't want to let go of a lot of things. And then my dad will remind me all the time, Tammy, do you know that after you left and helped us, we received so much abundance from places that we were not even expecting? It's like either they got this awareness of it or something, but he said like it changed our lives and we had so much good coming into our lives in different ways. Sometimes it doesn't have to be something material. It's not material, but it still impacts your life. So if you have a problem and if you see it as something is already getting bad, just do something about it. Don't look at it as it's already bad, let's just keep eating bad. And I wasn't planning to doing that. I actually noticed this time, I'm like, oh, okay, so the whole reason I'm going through all of this is because I didn't took care of my diet, and now it's affecting me and it's having the consequences. And I'm like, how long would have taken me if I kept doing this? Because every cycle is different. Like I said, like some months is totally fine and I'm surprised, and some months is not, and I'm like, what is changing? And it's literally my diet. And now I know, and I'm like, I'm not gonna be like, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna change this. But this is something that I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope it's helpful. And if you like this video, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more content, and I would love to see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.